Production scheduling for multi-variety, small batch order. The biggest pain point. Just one word: change. Time to change production lines is longer than the normal production time. A batch runs several hundred pieces right when the production line hits optimal throughput. Then time to switch to the next product variant. Solder paste needs replacing. Stencils swapped out. Production programs rewritten. Components restocked. Once the production line stops, every line halt equals pure sunk cost. To make matters worse, hundreds of work orders chase material allocation concurrently. Under such disruptions, production schedules end up nothing but useless paperwork. Overall, profitability for small batch manufacturing hinges not on maximum output capacity, but rapid changeover proficiency.